Telangana has hit out at the Revanth Reddy government, accusing them of violating the High Court's order. In fact, videos are being put out on social media platform X where the opposition, where the BJP, BRS are claiming that trees are being still cut in Kancha Gachibowli even after the High Court stay order. A video posted by Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy shows trucks that he claims are transporting chopped trees and debris in the night. The BRS also posted a similar video where they claim to have spotted trees being cut. So these are videos that have been put out by BJP and BRS, and both these parties, the opposition in Telangana is alleging that the government in Telangana, the Revanth Reddy government, is not obeying court orders. The High Court had halted deforestation in this area till the 3rd of April. Soumit is getting us more details. Soumit, did the government flout the law? Did the government violate the High Court order? Because BJP and BRS are putting out videos to claim that. Soumit, if you can hear me, tell us more about these videos that are being put out by the opposition in Telangana alleging that the government of Revanth Reddy in Telangana has violated court's order.
Well, that's true. Even ABP students here, BJYM students here, they're also claiming that, these videos are genuine. And they're also saying that the cutting process continued even after the oral order given by the High Court. So, Mahesh is joining us right now. So, Mahesh ji, you've been staging protest here, and even ABP students are staging protest here. And, there are several claims that after the oral order of the High Court, the cutting process still continued. इस पे आपका क्या कहना है?
So actually, what is the police support? What is the doing by the government of Telangana with their bulldozers working inside the campus? After High Court order, also they are cutting the trees, they are demolishing they are destroying the nature inside the campus. They are trying to grab this land. They want to sell this land to some corporate purpose. So we are deeply condemning it. From last many days, we are working. We are fighting against this government. We are fighting against for taking our land, grabbing our university lands. So the point is, you have a lot of space, more than 82 lakhs of acres land outside of this campus. You can do the development there. You can generate employment from there. But why only you are taking University of Hyderabad land? You are cutting the trees. Many environment life. This
High Court orders are also violated.
They are obviously they are 100% violating, and we are filing against one more complaint on this police and those who are running bulldozers inside, because that is going to contempt of the court. Because yes, and now High Court register is coming to the university by the order of Supreme Court. Then they are going back outside. They are going out of the campus. So what is going here?
So this is the situation here. So basically, even Mr. Balakrishna is also here. So he's been leading the protest since day before yesterday. So Mr. Balakrishna, what happened exactly? You also have, I think, videos. Can you show one of the video? What happened inside? Even after the High Court order, did the cutting process continue?
See, yesterday when the High Court said that all such activity should be stopped, we were positive about it. But then, even after the High Court's statement, the felling was still going on. We took videos with the time and all of that, with the timestamp and all of that. The cutting still went on. But what is interesting was, we are happy that the Supreme Court took a summative cognizance of this and asked High Court registrar to
All right, so the allegation that is being leveled by the opposition in Telangana is that despite the High Court's order halting deforestation, halting felling of trees, it continued unabated, and their allegation is that the Telangana government has violated the court order. Let's in fact focus on the videos that have been put out by the BJP and the BRS. So this is by Mr. Kishan Reddy, Union Minister, BJP leader, who's put out this video, and he is highlighting the fact that this truck is carrying out the debris and the trees that have been cut despite the court's order. BJP highlighting that this is how the government of Telangana is violating the court order. Then you have another video which has been put out by Krishank of the BRS, again alleging the same thing. In fact, the BRS is claiming that this is from the time where just the court had ordered that there will be no deforestation carried out. They had put a stay on that, and despite that, this continued. The felling of the trees, clearing of the area, deforestation happened, and that blatant disregard of the High Court on part of the Revanth Reddy government. These are the allegations and the videos to substantiate the allegations that both the parties are leveling. The opposition, the BJP, BRS in Telangana is saying that Revanth Reddy government, they're also hitting out at Rahul Gandhi saying, is this what Rahul Gandhi means when he talks about constitution? Hitting out at the Telangana government, questioning and alleging that this is how they have violated the court order. Now, there's more breaking input coming in. We're given to understand that one student has been arrested by Cyberabad police for posting a fake video on social media platforms. Is likely to be produced before the court shortly. And we are waiting for more details to emerge. A student has been arrested. The allegation is that the student put out a fake video. That's the allegation against the student. We'll try and connect with the reporters, in fact, to get you more details. I believe Somit continues to be with us on the broadcast. Somit, tell us more about this arrest.
Well, yes, one student arrested is what we are given to understand. The sources have confirmed that he has been picked up by the police for circulating a social media, a video on social media platforms, and he has also put out in Instagram and Twitter is what we have said. And even that video was later picked up by others, and then he was, arrested is what we are given to understand. He will be produced before the Rajendra Nagar court shortly, is what we are told. And the police
Somit,
yet
is
to
that video
respond officially.
Somit, is that video about deforestation? Is that video about violating the court order? What is that video about?
Well, yes, that video is fake video is what the sources are saying, and they have depicted that few deers were running inside, and at that time JCBs were bulldozing, were raising down the trees, is what we are told. But yes, what is that exact video? Why was he arrested? The police yet to confirm. The police sources confirmed is one student from the HCU has been arrested for posting a fake video. What is that video? Why? What are the charges put against him? We'll have to wait and see, wait and watch, because he will be produced before the court. Once he's produced before the court, we'll get to know exactly what are the charges framed against him, and why he was arrested, and what is that exact video for which he was picked up by the Cyberabad police.
Right, so we are waiting for more details to emerge about the arrest that has taken place. Somit, let's quickly shift our focus back to the two videos that are being put out on the screen. They have been posted by BJP and BRS netas on social media platform X, alleging that these videos are from right after the court's order of halting deforestation, but the deforestation or the clearing out of the area and felling of trees continued unabated. Stay on with us, Somit. I'll come back to you. Now, in the 400-acre Kancha Gachibowli land, Telangana High Court adjourned the matter to 7th of April for filing counter. And since Supreme Court protection is there, the oral order has been extended till the next hearing. So Telangana High Court has extended the interim stay on deforestation. Meanwhile, the opposition alleges, despite all of that, deforestation or cutting and felling of trees continues unabated. The matter is not going to be heard on the 7th of April. Let's go back to Somit. This becomes all the more significant. So till 7th of April now, the stay continues.
Well, that's true. High Court, because yesterday one of the foundation, a few days back, one of the foundation has approached the High Court, and they have also, they have also sought that in the High Court that there are 2 lakes inside the HCU premises in this 400 acres of land, and those 2 lakes should be protected. That is Veta Foundation. So even they have requested the High Court to intervene in this matter, and recently they have, after the JCPs were sent to the Hyderabad Central University, they have requested urgent hearing, and High Court has taken up the hearing, and yesterday High Court has stated that the matter has been posted to today, and the High Court has also orally given orders that no felling should take place, and immediately the officials, the people who are from the government who are raising down the trees, that should be stopped. And even after that, even we are being joined by students here, so we'll ask them whether after the High Court has pronounced the order, whether the cutting down process continued or not. So क्या हुआ अंदर High Court के order के बाद भी trees को cut करने का process चल रहा था क्या अंदर?
Yes, it has been continued yesterday. After the order also, the trees, cutting trees, even the number of JCBs have been increased, and even the Peacock Lake, there is a transportation of police is also there. Outside the police are also coming, so that they can construct the more thing, whatever they have aspired to do things. So it's nothing like that after the court they have stopped working, or the JCBs have reduced, or the JCBs have went back. Nothing. There is nothing. So they are working at the same speed, even the trees had been speeched.
So basically, what students they are claiming is that they have increased the speed after the High Court's order, and they didn't stop. Is what even they are saying. And at the same time, we've also accessed few videos where they are showing some shots here.
You can see the video.
Yes. What is that?
This was the peacock lake. They see how they have cleaned. Today they have cleaned. They have brought the police, rock police, and still the work is going
All right,
on.
so everybody putting out those videos and claiming that the deforestation continues. The opposition has hit out at Revanth Reddy government. Their allegation is that despite the High Court stay, deforestation has continued. The protests continue as well. Meanwhile, a student has been arrested for posting a fake video. We're waiting for more details on that. So, Amit, thank you very much for getting us the input. Now, after the High Court stay order yesterday, today, the Supreme Court ordered halting of any further felling of trees in Kancha Gachibowli forest area. Supreme Court directed the Telangana Chief Secretary to ensure that the order is implemented and has also asked for a report on the same. Let's in fact tell you how it all started. So on the night of 30th March, the government authorities accompanied by police and bulldozers began clearing the Kancha Gachibowli forest area. Several earth movers chopped down hundreds of trees. The Revanth Reddy government plans to auction the area for industrial development. This move was met with stiff opposition from students of the Hyderabad University, followed by another demonstration by BJP leaders. Today in Rajya Sabha, BRS raised this issue and demanded action from the government. And responding to the question, Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav said his ministry has already sent a notice to Telangana Chief Secretary and strict probe would be conducted at the earliest.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना हैदराबाद में घटी। मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि ऐसे क्या पेड़ों से दुश्मनी थी कि रात को बड़े भारी संख्या में लाइट लगाकर और बड़ी भारी संख्या में सारे बुलडोजर लगा करके और बड़ी संख्या में 400 पेड़ों को काटा गया। इस मामले की गंभीरता को देखते हुए कल पर्यावरण मंत्रालय ने वहां के चीफ सेक्रेटरी को नोटिस भेजा है, फैक्चुअल रिपोर्ट ली है और निश्चित रूप से जिन्होंने इस प्रकार की कार्रवाई की उन पर हम कार्रवाई करेंगे।
So this episode has triggered a massive political showdown with BRS and BJP targeting the Congress Sarkar. BRS leaders mounted a fierce attack on the government, saying that the state government is bankrupt and is trying to fill up the coffers by selling this land.
The government is mere custodian of public property, heeding to public advice, heeding to public protests. All the students who are agitating for this land, they're not agitating for themselves. They're not agitating for university alone. They're agitating for the future of Hyderabad. He's a habitual offender, where even when the matter is in a court of law, they've actually, I can say, they've committed to judicial overreach. They committed to the court that they'll file a rejoinder in 10 days. What did they do? They end up sending bulldozers and JCBs and machines and deploy hundreds of policemen in the middle of the night as well. And they continue to basically destroy the forest there.
ये सरासर गलत है कि ये ज़मीन सरकार की है, ये यूनिवर्सिटी की ज़मीन है और मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि जब सरकार कोर्ट में जीतती है ये लैंड को, ये ज़मीन को वापस यूनिवर्सिटी को देना चाहिए। दैट इज़ ओनली फेयर। और बच्चे बस यही पूछ रहे हैं कि हमारी ज़मीन हमें दे दो, इसमें कुछ मत करो। लेकिन ये सरकार वो ज़मीन बेचना चाहती है, उससे 40,000 करोड़ पैसा वो मार्केट से उठाना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि ये खुद सरकार चला नहीं पा रहे। जो हैदराबाद की लेगेसी है, जो हैदराबाद का रियल एस्टेट मार्केट है, ये सरकार आने के बाद पूरा ठप हो चुका है। तो इनको पैसा नहीं है सरकार चलाने के लिए, तो ये जमीन बेचना चाहते हैं।
We have Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast with more details. Mohit, the war of words continues. State government there claims ownership and the opposition says, or the protesters and students say this is green murder. But the latest flashpoint is about the High Court stay. And despite that, according to allegations, the deforestation there continuing unabated.
Well, Swati, the main contention over here is the High Court's order. Now, yesterday on 2nd of April, the High Court over there stated that there would be an interim stay on the excavation and land clearing process that is happening in that particular land where the protests have erupted by the students, and how there are concerns being raised that how deforestation is taking place and how the ecological balance is being disturbed by the process by the bulldozers over there. And hence, High Court, we saw that how an interim ban was being put. Now, Now, G. Kishan Reddy, the president of Telangana BJP and a union minister, has put out a tweet, and he basically says that despite the stay order from the High Court and the directives from the Environment Ministry, the destruction of trees at STU in Gachibowli, the dictatorial Congress government in Telangana continues transporting chopped trees and debris during the night. He has cited a video put out by the students of Telangana, so we cannot verify these videos when exactly this happened. And as we were also discussing with Swamit, that a person has been detained by the police over there.
These are videos that have been put out on social media by the political parties, and their allegation is that the deforestation continued despite the High Court order. Thank you very much, Mohit, for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a very short break.